All right, guys and gals, here we go. 2016 National Treasures Football. Single box PYT number 7. We have 6 boxes left from our original 12 from the 3 cases that we ripped open, mixed them all up. The remaining boxes that we haven't busted yet, number 1, 2, 6, 10, 11, and 12. That's 1 right there. That's 12 over there. Let's choose the box first. We're going to hit the randomizer 3 times. Tell us what box to do. 1, 2, 3. Box 11. This guy right here. Alright. Quick glance at your teams. Alright. Alright, best of luck, dudes. Here we go. Yeah, no big cowboy hits yet. I'm struggling to remember any of the big rookies coming out yet, so. I mean, it's only been 6 boxes, but they've been spread out over the course of a couple weeks. No Wentz, no Zeke, no Dak. At least those 3 guys for sure haven't come out. And I don't remember Goff either. Derrick Henry, I don't think so. Never know. I don't know. Let's see. Good luck. Let's do it. I remember the very first box we opened had a redemption on the back. We thought it was going to be Zach. Was it going to be a Dak? It was a 101 on top for somebody. It was not a Dak. It was like a Kenneth Dixon or something like that. All right. Pittsburgh Steelers. Le'Veon Bell 101. That is Gunther 3 with the Steelers. Going back to back. Jerome Bettis patch. 40 out of 49. Gunther again. A triple. Cardinals, Jags, and Raiders. Carson Palmer, Blake Bortles, and Derek Carr. 50 of 99. Fug Goof Cardinals. 1 Dazzer Jags. And Ant the Raiders. Brian Urlacher, Colossal. Oh, next card's sick. 9 out of 49, the Bears, the Duke 93. Curtis Martin, number 5 out of 5. Patriots logo patch. Very sick. The Patriots, that is Frankie Katz. That's Frankie. Jordan Matthews for the Eagles, 45 out of 49. Ant, 1977. We have hit this guy twice before. This is the 3rd one of this guy, but this is real nice. About one of the better ones you can get. 10th anniversary. Pharaoh Cooper, number 2 out of 10. RPA, the Rams. Mark, Ant, 1977. Paul Perkins and Sterling Shepard, 9 out of 10. The Giants. David Kist. And a nice RPA. Michael Thomas, 3-color RPA for the Saints. Number 2 of 99. HVAC therapy. Hey, got that one though. HVAC with a nice Michael Thomas. All right. AKA True Duck fan. And Roberto Aguayo, numbered 5 of 10, rookie auto for the Bucks, and G-Man TD2. So Tim did have him in number 7. He asked me like 3 hours ago, hey, do I got the Bucks in single box number 7, man? I was like, I don't know, I'll have to look for you. And I forgot to look for him. Probably left thinking I was a jerk. At least we delivered on a card for him. All right, randomizer: Cardinals, Jags, and Raiders. Good luck. 1, 2, 3. The Jags and 1 Dazzler. Boom. Came through with a hit. All right, that's it, guys, for box number 7. 8, 9, and 10 are in the store right now. Number 11 will hit the store at 11 a.m. Pacific tomorrow. Dwindling down to the end of the run here. Until next time, peace. I'm sorry, man.